Carnivore Diet week 1. All right, technically this is only 6 days into it, but this is gonna count as my week 1. Why? Because I'm so proud of it already. So you might recognize me, maybe not, on another YouTube channel. I am Mr. Flavorsmith. I am a backyard outdoor cooking enthusiast. And over this past year, since I've had my YouTube channel and doing all this amazing cooking, I've gained a lot of weight. Now, to be honest with you, I've always been on the heavier side. I'm now 44 years old. I had my birthday last Sunday and I turned 44, and I wanted to wait until I turned 44 to start this new lifestyle of mine, which is the carnivore diet. I was debating on just adding a carnivore diet playlist to my Mr. Flavorsmith cooking channel. There's gonna be so much content on this. I'm gonna really focus on the cooking aspect of things and just how I'm doing things and show you the transformation. Okay, so 6 days ago, I was 296 pounds. Today, 6 days later, I'm 290 pounds. So I lost 6 pounds. And I have to tell you, I did some little cheats on there, not just adding spices to my foods and things like that. I had some cheese. I even had 2 margaritas because it was my birthday week and I wanted to celebrate with my family. I did do some cheats and I still lost weight, but that's because I compensated it with a very high fat diet consisting of high fatty steaks, a lot of ground beef in the form of hamburgers. I just did a Mr. Flavorsmith video yesterday where I did smoked meatballs with a really high fat content, a lot of eggs, and for me, the go-to, hard-boiled eggs, because it's easy to pick up and go, add a little bit of salt to it, works for me. That's pretty much consisted of my diet for the past 6 days. What you can expect out of this channel is I'm not only gonna show you what the transformation is doing for me, but I'm also gonna share with you my cooking experiences, how to save money in processing large cuts of meat down to smaller cuts of meat, grinding up your own ground beef. That way you know what is exactly going into there. We're gonna get into sausage making, burger making, I mean, just countless dishes. I'm gonna show you how to smoke meats. I'm gonna show you how to dehydrate snacks. I'm gonna show you how to make really great dishes and meal prep for yourself. That way you won't deviate from this diet, this new lifestyle. I hate calling it a diet, but that is what it is, right? I'm a dad of 2 young boys, an 8-year-old and a 3-year-old. I'm the husband of a beautiful wife. I have multiple gigs. I'm a professional videographer, photographer in my professional world. And I also have multiple YouTube channels. So I'm a really busy guy. I don't have a lot of time to do anything. So eating bad, unfortunately, has just been a necessity of mine for most of my life, to be honest with you. And so now at 44, pushing almost 300 pounds. Last Sunday, I was 296 pounds. Now I am 6 foot 2 inches tall. I am a bigger build guy naturally. Pushing 300 pounds, I never ever want to be near that ever again. My father, he was even bigger guy. He was over 400 pounds. And I told myself I would never do that to myself, my wife, or my boys. I want to live as long as I can. I ended up having children at 35, started at 35 and our second at 40. So I'm an older dad and I need to stay up and be fit and be active with my children. Especially I have 2 boys and they are active like you can't believe. And I find my body just starting to kind of fall apart. So I'm hoping this new lifestyle of a carnivore diet is going to actually work for me. And I have to be honest with you, 6 days into it, I'm crazy impressed with it. I have more energy. I don't feel bloated. My skin actually is already feeling better. When I say that, on my face, I have like a little rosacea here and there. And also I kind of get like chicken skin, these little red dots that kind of pop up. A lot of that has already gone away. It's insane. And I didn't expect that. But I will tell you this, I'm going to do my carnivore diet a little bit different. And I'm going to call it a FlaVore diet. That's FLA capital VORE. So it's a combination of a keto diet and a carnivore diet. So like the Ketovore diet, this is my FlaVore diet. And the reason why I want to do it this way is I want to introduce some of the things that I like into my life that I know I'll be able to sustain throughout, not just 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, but for a year, 2 years, 3 years, hopefully the rest of my life. And in order to do that, I need things to be a little more flavorful than just salt. And I find that a lot of the spices and things I like to have in my diet as well help me for medicinal uses as well. So there will be some modifications to the carnivore diet that I do, but I expect them to prove out to be good for me, and it's going to lose weight and hopefully continue to improve my digestive system and also my energy, my mental clarity and everything like that. It's a version of the carnivore diet, very much like a ketovore diet. I hope you enjoy this and I hope that you follow along in this journey. I'm going to check in every single week with you guys. So this is the Carnivore Diet Life. And if this is a diet that you actually like to do and you're excited to do it, that's what's going to make you stick to it. A lot of other things where you dread doing it, I mean, you're not going to sustain that. I did a diet 2 years ago where I did a lot of fasting and I dropped 26 pounds in 24 days. And I tell you what, that was amazing and I felt great, but it was not sustainable, especially as a family man and on the go. But a modified carnivore diet, something that's a flavorful carnivore diet with the basis 99% of it being just high fat meat with some seasonings and things like that to make things tasty, I don't feel that that's really gonna throw your game off all that much. I think the pros are gonna be higher than the cons. If you are excited and looking forward to eating these different things, you're gonna keep to it. If you're dredging it, you're not gonna keep to it. So I think that's where a lot of people lose it on the carnivore diet, is they dread doing it. But if it's a flavorful carnivore-ish diet, then you're going to stick with it and it's going to make you healthy over the long term. I hope you get value out of my videos like you do with my Mr. Flavorsome stuff. And if you do, please do me a huge favor. Like this video, comment to me where you're at in your carnivore adventure. How has it been doing for you? How long have you been at it? What are some of the pros you've seen and what are some of the cons you've seen on it so far? And then subscribe to my channel. I promise you, this channel is going to be packed full of real life stuff. I'm not an MD. I'm not a doctor. I haven't been doing this a long time. I'm just a normal person. I'm a normal dad. I'm a normal guy that's a hardworking guy trying to get fit for my family and myself. So if that's the type of thing that you're interested in, subscribe to the channel. I promise you there's going to be a lot of really value-packed content coming to you in the future. Thanks everybody for watching this video, and let's get fit together. And yes, this is a plastic steak. You're going to see me biting into a lot of steaks.